What's up? Oh, I got you on video, you dumbass bitch. Yeah. You're a dumb f***, ain't you? My dash cam's always rolling, boy. Drag me out of the car. Come on.
Old driver, you nearly took off the front of my truck. You got no excuse for that kind of driving.
Wow. Good job.
Đừng nói dạ. Ô má ơi. Ô, trời ơi, còn chút xíu bị đụng rồi.
Look around you and look at this shelter. It was basically the size of a city. Don't you think they...
This happened on my way to work. I am very thankful I have a dash cam. I mean, the video footage speaks for itself. It was an awful, awful morning out there. The driver did come to me. He said he hit a puddle. He then hit me, and you could see what happened to him.
Come on, come on.
Whoa, 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 red light runner. Whoa!
Vamos cá, bota-me atenção.
Hello everyone. We're trying to catch some guys who crashed on my car. My car was stopped early morning. That was the February 22nd in Lawrence, Massachusetts. And some guys crashed my car and they simply took off. They didn't stop to leave some information about the insurance, nothing. They just simply took off without any remorse. So we're trying to catch these guys. If you have any information about these guys, this car that had an accident recently, a BMW. Yeah, this is a BMW. Please give us any information about this. We will appreciate it very much, and we will compensate you with a reward if we catch these guys. We cannot tolerate things like this. We need to stop things like this from happening. Please, any information, leave it on the comments. Yeah, we will appreciate it very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.